Now we're going to talk about how to make spaghetti. Put spaghetti in a pot with hot water and give it some time to get soft. If you don't want to eat spaghetti by itself, you can always make some meat for it. After some time, spaghetti will be easy to bend, and then when you bend it, you can actually fit the whole thing into a small pot. Now when spaghetti all fit inside, just boil it for about 10 minutes. Read the direction on the package. And when your spaghetti is almost ready, you want to get rid of this water, unless you like to drink water with your spaghetti. This is how you get rid of the water. Here you go. And it's ready. Now just I need to add some meat or whatever you like to add. And that's what we call makaroni po-flotski, or one of the ways to make them. Take about 15 minutes. And this is how you make makaroni po-flotski, or if you translate it, is a Navy style spaghetti.